Every day, millions of people waste hours writing emails, creating reports, taking meeting notes, and organizing information manually. What if AI could do most of that work for you in just a few minutes? Today, I'll show you a simple workflow that can save you around 2 hours every day. Welcome back to Pradeep AI Tools. If you're a student, office worker, freelancer, or business owner, this video is for you. Let's look at 5 everyday tasks that AI can make much faster. Task 1. Writing emails. Instead of spending 20 minutes writing an email, open your AI assistant and type, "Write a professional email requesting a project update." In seconds, you'll have a polished draft. You can edit it to match your style and send it. Task 2. Summarizing long documents. Have a long report, article, or meeting notes. Ask your AI assistant, summarize this into 5 key points. Instead of reading 20 pages, you can understand the main ideas in a minute. Task 3. Creating presentations. Need slides for a meeting? Use an AI presentation tool. Give it your topic, and it generates a first draft you can refine instead of starting from a blank page. Task 4. Planning your day. Try asking, create a priority-based schedule for my workday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. AI can organize your tasks into a practical plan, helping you focus on what matters first. Task 5. Brainstorming ideas. Whether you're creating YouTube videos, writing a blog, or planning a business project, ask AI, give me 20 ideas for. Starting with ideas is often the hardest part, and AI can help you get unstuck quickly. The important thing to remember is this: AI isn't about replacing your thinking. It's about reducing repetitive work so you can spend more time on creative and important tasks. Which of these 5 tasks would save you the most time? Leave a comment below. And if you want more practical AI workflows that you can use at work every day, subscribe to Pradeep AI Tools.